Cristiano Ronaldo was born on the small, picturesque island of Madeira, Portugal, a place known for its breathtaking landscapes, but also for its humble beginnings for many families. He grew up in a crowded house, where money was always tight, but dreams and hope filled every corner. His father worked tirelessly as a gardener and also as a kit man for a local football team, doing whatever he could to support the family. Meanwhile, his mother spent long hours as a cook, preparing simple meals and making sure her children never went hungry, even when times were tough. Even as a young child, Cristiano's energy was unstoppable. He would kick anything he could find, from old socks to plastic bottles, turning every object into a football. He didn't care about toys or new clothes. All he ever wanted was to have a ball at his feet, practicing his skills for hours on end. Despite his mother's constant worries about his schoolwork and future, football was always his main focus and true passion. He would sometimes skip meals and even sneak out of the house just to play, driven by a determination that set him apart from other kids. Growing up with hardship and limited resources taught him the value of hard work, discipline, and sacrifice, fueling his dream to become the best football player in the world. For a boy from the poor, narrow streets of Madeira, such a dream seemed almost impossible, a distant hope. But Cristiano's relentless passion and belief in himself made him certain that nothing was truly out of reach, no matter where he started. At just 8 years old, Cristiano took his first real steps into the world of football by joining Andorinha, a small local club in Madeira. It was his father, who worked as a kit man for the team, who opened this door for him, encouraging his son's early passion for the game. Though he was smaller than many of the other boys, Cristiano's incredible speed and natural skill quickly set him apart. He dazzled coaches and teammates alike, soon becoming the standout star of his age group. His fierce desire to win and relentless drive sometimes brought him to tears after a loss. This earned him the nickname Crybaby, not because he was weak, but because he cared so deeply about every match and every goal. After 2 years of hard work and rapid improvement, Cristiano moved to Nacional, the top club on the island. There, he pushed himself even further, training with unmatched intensity and helping his team win local trophies. As his performances grew more impressive, his name began to spread across Madeira. Local newspapers featured stories about the young prodigy, and soon scouts from the Portuguese mainland started to take notice. Stories of his extraordinary talent reached Sporting CP, one of Portugal's biggest and most prestigious clubs, known for developing young stars. A trial was arranged in Lisbon, giving Cristiano the opportunity to prove himself on a much bigger stage, far from home. For the first time, Cristiano prepared to leave his small island behind, filled with hope and nerves, determined to chase his dream of becoming a professional footballer. He laced up his boots with determination, ready to show everyone what he could do and take his game to the next level. The journey was just beginning, and every step forward brought new challenges and greater dreams. The boy from Madeira was about to step onto a much bigger stage, ready to begin the adventure that would change his life forever. At 12, Cristiano left Madeira for Lisbon and Sporting CP's academy, a daunting leap for a young boy. He was homesick, bullied for his accent, and felt like an outsider. The training was intense, and the days were long. Many times, he wanted to quit and return home, but instead, he used the pain as motivation. He trained harder than anyone, determined to prove he belonged. He focused on football, arriving first and leaving last. The tears stopped. The fight began. His talent soon outshone the challenges. The lonely boy from Madeira was becoming a force on the pitch. Every setback made him stronger. He was determined to show everyone what he could do. And soon, he did. At 15, Cristiano faced his biggest challenge yet, a heart condition that threatened to end his career. Doctors warned he might never play again. His mother bravely agreed to risky surgery. The operation was a success, and Cristiano was back training within days. This brush with disaster changed him. He played with new gratitude and determination, knowing how quickly it could all be lost. He pushed himself harder, growing stronger and more focused. The boy from Madeira was now unstoppable. His heart, both literally and figuratively, became his greatest strength. He was ready for the world. Nothing would hold him back. At 18, Cristiano's brilliance at Sporting caught the eye of Manchester United. After a dazzling performance against them, Sir Alex Ferguson signed him for over £12 million. Given the legendary number 7 shirt, Cristiano faced huge expectations in the Premier League. He was raw but electric, famous for his tricks, but still learning the game. Under Ferguson's tough guidance, he transformed from a skinny teenager into a powerful, disciplined athlete. He helped Manchester United win 3 Premier League titles and the Champions League. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or, becoming the world's best player. The boy from Madeira had become a global superstar. Manchester turned him into a winner. He was now a true Red Devil. His dream was reality. But he was just getting started. The world was watching. In 2009, Cristiano Ronaldo made headlines around the world when he joined Real Madrid for a world record transfer fee. The anticipation was immense, and fans packed the Santiago Bernabeu to witness his unveiling. From the very beginning, it was clear that Cristiano was destined to become a legend at the club. During his time in Madrid, he shattered goal-scoring records season after season, becoming the club's all-time top scorer. He led Real Madrid to 2 La Liga titles and an incredible 4 Champions League triumphs, cementing his place among football's greatest. His fierce rivalry with Lionel Messi pushed both players to new heights, captivating fans worldwide. Cristiano collected 4 more Ballon d'Or awards, showcasing his relentless drive and consistency at the very top of the game. After dominating Spanish football, he took on a new challenge in Italy with Juventus. There, he continued to win league titles and proved that even as he aged, his skills and determination remained unmatched. Even in his 30s, his hunger for success and incredible discipline set him apart from his peers. He inspired teammates and fans with his work ethic and commitment to excellence. In 2023, he surprised the football world by joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia, bringing global attention and excitement to a new league. His presence elevated the profile of football in the region. Across England, Spain, Italy, and now Saudi Arabia, Cristiano Ronaldo won countless trophies and inspired millions of fans. His impact on and off the pitch was truly global. His journey was about more than just scoring goals. It was about conquering every challenge, overcoming adversity, and constantly striving for greatness, no matter the circumstances. With 5 Champions League titles, 7 league championships, and a historic European Championship with Portugal, his legacy in football was secure and unmatched. The boy from Madeira had truly become a king, rising from humble beginnings to the very pinnacle of world football. And his story wasn't over yet. Even now, he kept chasing greatness, inspiring the next generation to dream big and never give up. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is more than football. It's a lesson in dreaming big and working relentlessly. He proved that humble beginnings don't limit your future. His journey shows that hardship can fuel greatness. Talent alone wasn't enough. His obsession with improvement set him apart. He sacrificed, trained, and never settled. He faced bullying, loneliness, and a life-threatening heart condition, but never gave up. Every setback made him stronger. His resilience and self-belief turned him into a champion. From Madeira's dusty streets to the world's grandest stadiums, he always believed in himself. He set the highest goals and chased them with everything he had. Cristiano's legacy inspires us all. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. The world will remember the boy who became a legend, and his story will inspire generations to come.